Comes DJ's Prestige and Sports. We've just acquired this lovely Vauxhall Astra. It's the 1.6 Turbo Limited Edition in absolutely fantastic condition. Finished in beautiful red, upgraded diamond cut alloy wheels. Bodywork's in fantastic condition. The high level rear spoiler there. GTC Sports body styling. It's absolutely gleaming. Lovely condition with age and mileage. Great price range. Inside the car, the boot there, it's all lovely. Got the rear parcel shelf. Full leather seats, all in lovely condition. Just start the car up. There you go. All the warning lights go on and off as they should do. Some 94,651 miles. Got 3-stage heated seats. You can see we've got the navigation on here as well. DAB radio, air conditioning, USB and AUX, 6-speed gearbox, cruise control, multifunction steering wheel. Auto headlights, electric mirrors. At DJH with full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.